Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the best product launch pricing strategy on Amazon right now. Let's get into it. When it comes to launching a product on Amazon, pricing can make or break your success. The most effective strategy right now focuses on creating an initial burst of sales that helps boost your product's rankings quickly. The approach starts with an aggressive discount, typically around 50% off for the first 1 to 3 days. The goal here isn't to make a profit immediately, but to generate enough sales volume to catch Amazon's algorithm's attention. After this initial surge, the next step is to gradually increase the price over the following weeks. This helps maintain steady sales while slowly improving profit margins. It's important not to jump back to the full price all at once because that can cause a sudden drop in conversions. Instead, small, consistent price increases help maintain momentum. Dynamic pricing is another key element of this strategy. It involves adjusting prices regularly based on performance data. For example, applying short-term discounts like reducing the price by 10 to 20% for just a few days each month can create additional traffic spikes and help sustain high rankings. This tactic works because price is one of the most influential factors in driving conversions on Amazon. However, it's essential to consider profit margins before implementing any pricing changes. Some products may not have enough margin to support aggressive discounts. Additionally, be mindful of how price changes can affect promotions like Prime Day. Amazon calculates discounts based on the average price over the previous 30 days, so frequent price drops might limit your ability to offer deeper discounts during major events. To avoid pricing errors, such as Amazon flagging sudden price increases, spread out the price adjustments over several weeks. Establishing a history of sales at your target price can also help prevent issues with Amazon's pricing algorithm. The key takeaway is that pricing should never be static. Regularly testing different price points allows you to find the sweet spot where sales volume and profitability align. This dynamic approach helps products gain visibility, improve rankings, and achieve long-term success on Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.